My name's Gary Silverside from Industry Partners. One of our products is the IPA Collective. Basically, it's a group of specialist partners, and I use the word trusted. That's a critical component of it. The partners that we bring in offer a very wide range of services and are recommended and trusted by others in the network. So basically, they're offering consulting, training, and services. And today, I'm very lucky to be in the presence of Mr. Scott Henderson from Thermalign. Hi, Scott.
Hi, Gary. How you going?
Yeah, good, mate. Good, mate. Look, a key reason for today is to learn about some of the services that Thermalign offer.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Gary. Yeah, we're a service company. We provide all kinds of predictive maintenance services to our clients. Really, on the left-hand side of the P to F curve, most people should be familiar with that P to F curve. So we conduct vibration analysis, ultrasound inspections, thermography, oil analysis services, and advice in all aspects of offline and online condition monitoring, including wireless and wired online systems. So that's a core element of our business is that side of the P to F curve. Further to the left of that P to F curve, we also provide precision maintenance services like dynamic balancing, bearing installations, laser alignments, and to complement that, also training and assessments to the ISO standard in vibration analysis, thermography, and ultrasound.
Wow.
There are core elements of the business. There's obviously a lot of detail below that, but we use cutting edge equipment such as the motion amplification gear, ultrasound, and the online vibration analysis, including portable online vibration analysis and thermography online systems with our certified, trained, and competent persons. So we have Cat 4 analysts, Cat 3 analysts as well, and our minimum is Cat 2 as part of our company. So it is a professional service that we provide for our clients.
Excellent. Do you offer these services Australia-wide?
Yeah, all over the region. So we regularly travel to every state, but we also work overseas. So we've worked from New Caledonia, Fiji, Papua New Guinea, as far as Kenya.
Wow. Okay. What's your business motivation for this? Because obviously you have a great passion for it. So what's that key motivation for you?
Reliability, I suppose. Industry has long talked about reliability. I come from a background in military aviation, helicopters, and there's a massive focus on reliability in the air and also military. So with that in mind, we brought that ethos into the industrial world, and we're just trying to push that reliability ethos out, because with the military and aviation, it saves lives. In industry, it saves equipment, it saves our clients money.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Do you want to give me, relate to me one success story so anybody listening to this can understand how the benefits flow through?
Yeah, so there's a few success stories. We work with a lot of partners as well over the country who collect data for our analysts to look at back here in our main offices in Melbourne. We saw something in a spectrum from a client in Tasmania. It caused quite a lot of alarm here. And the quickest way out there was to charter a flight. So we ended up chartering a flight from just down the road, and we had an online system onto this unit within 18 hours.
Wow.
And what that did was it gave us and the client peace of mind. until that item was able to be repaired. What that did is it stopped any secondary damage coming on. So we had personnel watching that every 4 hours until that production run finished, which was about 3 weeks later. And we gave them that warm, fuzzy feeling, as you call it, to carry on without stopping production and without the fear of this thing imminently causing further damage.
Wow, that's incredible. Yeah, I can imagine that was a massive impact for the business. And you've just joined the IPA Collective, and that's fantastic. What's the key reasons for you joining it?
The collective reached out to us, and what I kind of found most attractive to it was the way the specialists were all kind of handpicked and trusted personnel and companies. It's not often that you get that. It's usually a sponsorship or a donation type of affair, whereas this is word of mouth. It's trusted people who've been used in the past. So if we're looking at a client, we're talking to a client, and they have a problem that's out of our sphere of influence, then we can turn to the IPA Collective and say, okay, who has experience in this? And we know that someone's already done the background to become a trusted partner. With reliability, trust is key. I mean, our clients trust us with their plant. So anyone that we bring in or take advice from, we should also be able to trust. And that's where it really fitted in for us. And yeah, we're really happy with what we've experienced so far.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah, Scott, thank you very much for your time today. I do appreciate it.
You're welcome, Gary. Thank you.